welcome back to my channel, The Baking Diva. And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much. Well, today I have a bit of a surprise for you. Those that have been watching me for a while may have seen videos of two people. And let me tell you, their videos drew so many new subscribers in that, I mean, really, they've become celebrities. So they have decided to be in a baking video today. Well, now I want you all to show them some love. Feel free to make a comment and give them a thumbs up because this is the first baking video they've done. So for now, what do you say? I'm gonna bring them in and I'm gonna turn my channel over to them for now. So come on in. And who do we have here? We have my grandson Jake and his girlfriend Renee. Say hi to my subscribers. And let me tell you, you've seen them in their prom video. You've seen them in their graduation video. And you've seen Jake. He's my oldest grandson. If you go on back a few years, you've seen him in many baking videos because I've been baking with my grandsons since they were little. So anyway, I'm gonna turn my channel over to them now and they're gonna make a special 4th of July recipe for you. So enjoy the show.
Hi guys, so today we're gonna make cake pops for 4th of July. We're making red velvet cake pops. Very exciting. It's me and Jake's favorite cake too, so that's exciting.
We're gonna be dipping them in white chocolate as well, and we're gonna be decorating them with all red, white, just red, white, and blue things. Sprinkles and designs.
Oh, that sounds good.
Yeah.
What kind of, are you using a special kind of cake mix?
We made
the super moist Betty Crocker one.
Yeah.
We're using that.
Oh, so you can use a store-bought cake mix.
Yeah. We made it the night before.
Oh, good.
So then it's like cooled and everything, which is
it's ready to go the next day.
Yeah.
It's perfect.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna get started.
All right.
First, we're gonna break it up into the bowl to get it ready.
So you bake your cake first, and then when it's cool, you break it up into pieces and put it in a bowl?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So that it's the right texture for when you're making them into balls.
Okay.
That's good.
Having fun?
Yes.
Good.
And you have to make sure that your hands are clean before you do this. So
Exactly.
no bacteria or anything gets in it.
Exactly.
Great.
All right. Let me zoom in, see what they're doing over there with that cake.
This is what it looks like so far.
Let me zoom in on that.
Nice and crumbled up.
Yeah, crumbles. That's good.
Yeah.
Just break it up into pieces, right?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
This one's easy to break up.
Yeah.
We're just about done
All right.
breaking it up into the bowl.
Yeah, I think that's good.
Okay.
So this is what it should look like when it's done.
All right, let me zoom in on that and see.
Just like crumb cake, kind of.
Yeah, broken up pieces.
Yeah, all broken up pieces of the cake. Very good.
All right, next step. Next, we're gonna take the icing and a spoon and put half the container into the bowl and then mix it up.
Okay, how you mixing it?
With our hands.
Woo!
Woo!
Yeah, get messy.
No.
What's that? Okay.
Whoa, gushy, gushy.
Oh, I don't like that.
Gushy.
Oh yeah. Jake doesn't doesn't like getting his hands dirty, so this is...
Oh, there goes the grandfather clock again. It always goes off when we're doing a video. Squish it up like you're making a meatloaf.
Oh, you're standing up.
When you're doing it, you got to make sure you keep switching the bottom and the top cake so that it's not just dry on the bottom.
Very good.
Okay, baby.
Jake, I guess all the baking you did with me when you were little paid off, huh?
Yeah, before the cameras came out. Before we were on the cameras.
Hey, I'm not that old.
I know. But when we were younger, you didn't used to film it, so...
Now, how long do you have to keep mushing it?
Until it's like pretty solid and you can roll it into a bowl or ball.
A couple minutes.
Oh, so you have to be able to like roll it into a ball, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Ooh, let me zoom in on those hands. Hold on. Let me see your hand. Oh my gosh, let me see. Ooh.
Let's see if it's good yet. Alright, we're almost there.
Squishing.
Squishing.
Squish, squish, squish.
Okay, I think that's probably good.
Renee's testing to see if it can be made into a ball.
Alright, we're just about done squishing it.
Squish, squish, squish. There are two pros over here.
Alright, yeah, I think we're pretty much good. You can tell when you can roll it into a ball.
All right, let me see if I can get a ball. Roll them into a ball so I can see. Let me zoom in on those balls. Wait a minute. Let me see. Okay, very good.
Yeah.
All right, stay tuned, everybody,
Making a snowman.
because in a few minutes we're going to go to step 2.
Alright, so next step is we're gonna melt some chocolate so we can dip the cake pops into. And we're gonna use the Ghiardelli chocolate, but which is a little bit more expensive than that kind.
Well, you can get these wafers at like any store, like a Michael's or a Walmart or anything like that.
Yeah.
They're just they work exactly the same. They're just cheaper.
Yeah. Now we're gonna open them. Put some in the bowl.
Do I see somebody eating wafers over there?
Yeah,
Putting them
it's
in a
Jake.
bag of chips.
Jake, don't eat all of them before you put them in.
And
right.
you're gonna melt them
You melt them at what?
15-second intervals because you don't want them to burn, because if they burn then you're just gonna probably throw them out. And you're gonna stir them up a little bit in between. And yeah.
You gotta make sure it's like liquid when you're done with it.
Yeah.
When it
so,
drips off the spoon.
Yeah, we're gonna melt those now. Alright, now that our chocolate is melted, and if it doesn't melt right away, then you can put a little bit of oil so that it melts quicker. And now we're gonna make some of the bowls.
So we put parchment paper on there first so that it doesn't get stuck to the pan or anything like that. You don't want to make them too big because once the chocolate gets on it, it'll become heavier. So you make them about like this size. This is the size that they should be. Nothing bigger, or else they could fall off the sticks and then
break.
there's no point of having it anymore. But yeah, so we're gonna start by making the balls, and we're gonna have about like 16 on it. So you want to space them out because you don't want them to be too tight together.
Look at that, togetherness.
And try and make sure there's no cracks in them.
That's true. Keep rolling them till you don't see cracks.
It's breaking.
Okay, we'll be back as soon as they get all those balls rolled. Here we go, just giving you an idea. That's just about the right size the ball should be. They work well together. Rolling, 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 rolling.
Alright, now that we have them all rolled into the balls, we're gonna dip.
Let's zoom in on those balls. There you go. Okay.
We're gonna take our 6-inch sticks and we're gonna dip them into the chocolate only a little bit and put them like 3/4 into the balls. And then we're gonna stick them in the fridge for like 15 minutes.
The reason why we stick them in the fridge is so that the balls, the chocolate gets hard and it basically contains the ball around it so the stick doesn't keep sliding out, and then the balls also be chilled so they won't like break apart or anything like that.
Okay, so now they're going to dip their sticks in the white chocolate and put them into the balls. Are you getting hungry, kids?
Yes.
Yes.
I am.
It's hard to make these and not eat them.
Just like that. And then we're gonna repeat the process until they're all done.
So we'll be back as soon as they get these refrigerated and chilled, and then we'll show you what we do next.
Alright, we just took the cake pops out of the refrigerator and now we're gonna start decorating them. We have white chocolate.
And we have red as well.
Yeah, and we're decorating them for the 4th of July, so we have red, white, and blue sprinkles and other kinds. And so you're gonna dip them first and then decorate them how you want and then lay them on parchment paper. And then once they're dry, you can put them in the cake pop holder.
Right. And do they have to be, does the chocolate have to be wet before you put the decorations on it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If not, then when they're hard, they're not gonna stick and they're just gonna fall off.
Right, so they have to stick while
So
they're
it's like
wet.
the glue.
Right. You just do it gently and then you tap, tap, tap on the sides of the bowl. Otherwise, you don't want your balls, your cake balls to fall off the sticks. And Jake, you have to get the chocolate down by where the stick starts. No,
There's not
Jake.
enough red chocolate in here.
Tip the bowl.
I already messed it up. I can't.
All right, well then I don't know if that's going to fall off because you have to cover.
It already did. My amazing
We're
work.
gonna YOLO it.
And use your imagination how you want to decorate them. There's stars there and little sprinkles and hearts. Jake, somebody's dripping down the stick.
Oh, that's amazing.
Well, they're learning. That's okay. Remember what I said. Show this couple some love because they're learning how to do it.
Valentine's Day.
You have to be careful when you Renee has a little accident. But you know what? When the chocolate hardens, you can scrape it right off there. Twist it gently and let some of that drip off. There you go. And you can just have fun decorating them any way you want. So we're going to let these kids have a lot of fun decorating these. And then last but not least, we're coming back and we're going to show you the finished product. Okay. Poor Renee. Renee, look what he did to you. Oh my goodness. Look it over here, Jake. Oh my goodness. See, now they're getting slap happy.
Wait, time
Their video is almost coming to an end. Oh no. Lucas is here. Oh my gosh. Look at Jake.
Wait, I'm gonna make Grandma, I'm gonna make
Oh,
eyeshadow.
hey, wait. You know what you should do?
Grandma, should I make eyeshadow?
I think you should give her a kiss. Get that lipstick off her.
On her cheek?
On her lip.
Oh, not for the video.
Not for the video. All right, give her a little one on her cheek.
Aw.
Oh, aren't they cute? Now we have a big mess here. Look it. Renee's a mess. Jake's a mess. Hey, you know, I'm young at heart. This is the most fun part of the video. All right, they're making their truffles here. You can make truffles
I think I
with
did the best.
Well, look at look at these clowns. Oh my God. They're making the truffles. Oh my God. Oh, he has chocolate on his face. And Renee's putting sprinkles on him. Oh my God, let me get a close up on that. You two are so silly. Let me see. Jake, you look like a clown. Oh my goodness.
Now we're finishing up our truffles.
Yes, oh my
Oh,
God.
I'm trying.
Oh Lord, they're never going to do another video again. All right, we'll finish them up and then we're going to show everybody the finished product. Oh no.
I look like you.
Jeez. All right, they're going to finish dipping the truffles and then we're going to show you the finished
Jake,
product.
it's literally right here.
I know,
I definitely
Stay
get the best
tuned. Well, the video has come to an end, and I hope you enjoyed these two celebrities of mine making their truffles and their cake pops. We had a fun time, and if you enjoyed it, make sure to give them a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we will see you all very soon. Toodles!